Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to unbox the Series 5 white ceramic case Apple Watch. This is one of the most expensive Apple Watches you can buy, so it's kind of a big deal. But either way, let's get started. So just like the AirPod Pros, they have this little piece right here. And then we can just lift the rest of this off. And then I like it, they have these little pull tabs right here, but after a while they kind of fall apart, so it's not really cool, but it is cool. And then it just folds open like this. And then you have the watch, and then right under it you'll have whatever band you choose. This is a Milanese band, but we'll get into that later. Or you know what, let's get into that right now. So we'll pull this tab right here. And here is the Milanese band. Fun fact, the one that I have on my hand is actually an aftermarket version. So that's why it might look a little bit different. And yeah, that's about it. And now we can get to the watch. So this one also has a little pull tab, which is kind of interesting because it's already packaged. But either way, we can pull this right here. And then we can lift the box straight up. And there is the Apple Watch. So we can take this little piece out and there's going to be some paperwork. And if we open this up, there's going to be the watch band. Interesting thing is this little nub is actually ceramic. And that's because this is the watch edition. It's not just a watch or sport. And to the right we have the sad 5-watt charger. And we have the regular wireless charger, except for this one is shiny on the sides. I'm pretty sure it's made out of stainless steel on the sides. And here's the watch. Looks pretty nice and shiny. I like the contrast. I like how it's like black and then white on the sides. Although I do wish they made a black ceramic, but either way. So the battery's low on this, so I can't really get started on it, and that's going to take a while anyway. But either way, that's the Series 5 Apple Watch edition. And yeah, unfortunately I won't be reviewing this because I don't have this anymore, but I thought it would be nice to kind of show you what the unboxing experience entails. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, as well as some review and repair videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.